Okay, in this video, we're going to find the linear equation that passes through the points -3, -2, and 1, 6. So neither one of these points is a y-intercept, and we know that because neither one of them has x as 0. So when you have 2 points, what's the first thing you should do? What formula are we going to want to use? We're going to want to calculate the slope. And the formula for slope is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Because we're going to find the rise, what's the change in the y over the change in the x? That's the run, because our slope is rise over run. So I always do this where I label x1, y1, x2, y2, and that way I'm just taking those numbers and filling them in to my equation. So then I start with y2. I've labeled y2 as 6. So I have 6 minus, because that comes from the formula. I'm going to look at my y1 because that's the thing that comes next. My y1 is 2. If I go minus -2 over, that minus negative becomes a double negative. That becomes a plus. So I'm actually going to add these because the formula told me to subtract. The number itself was negative. Anyone want to tell me what I should do for the denominator? 1 plus 3. And I like how you just switched that from minus -3 to immediately a plus. Okay, so now we simplify. We get 6 plus 2 is 8. I love that. Over 1 plus 3 is 4. And so our slope then is 8 divided by 4, which is 2. So our slope is 2. So now we know the slope is 2. M equals 2. And we have 2 points. I only need 1 point for my point slope form, okay? So from here, we're going to take the point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. We're going to take the point, okay? We can take either point, doesn't matter. I might take the positive points, but just like you did minus and negative, gave you the plus, you could use the negative point, doesn't matter. So we're going to plug that in. We have y plus, if you want, 2. Do you see where I'm getting the plus 2? Equals 2, that's the slope, times x, what would it be? Minus -3 is plus 3. Okay, now we could rearrange this. Okay, we're going to rearrange this to get it into our y equals mx plus b, which is slope y-intercept form. So we can distribute the 2. We get y plus 2 equals 2x plus 6. What am I going to do to get y by itself? I can subtract the 2, right, from both sides. Y equals 2x plus 4. Now I know the slope, the y-intercept. I have the equation of the line. This one was the point slope form, if I want it in that version. But given those 2 points, I have to first find the slope, then use the point slope form because neither one of them is the y-intercept, and we can rearrange it to get it into slope y-intercept form. Any questions?